Welcome to Pitman's Shorthand training. This is the complete training course for Pitman Shorthand, all 240 exercises. This is also called Stenography. So what is a shorthand? Shorthand is a language of symbols. Okay, symbols like we have in English language. There are symbols A, B, C. Okay, symbols to represent words and sentences of the spoken language. Very important, spoken language, not written language but spoken. Whatever you speak, you have to represent that spoken thing into a symbol. Okay, short symbol. So shorthand is also what and how we speak. Okay, and is written in shorthand symbols. So what we speak and how we pronounce. Okay, how we speak. So what and how is represented in the symbol. There is an example. For example, you have an arrow here. You see this arrow? And what is the meaning of this arrow symbol? Answer number 1 is an arrow. Answer number 2 is right. Answer number 3 is towards right. Answer number 4 may be turn towards right. Answer number 5 may be right direction. Okay, so these are the words we speak when we see this symbol, this arrow symbol, right? So we can count the letters and words of answers in previous questions. Okay, so first answer was an arrow. An arrow means there are two words, and second word is arrow. There are 7 letters. A is a letter, N is a letter, again A is a letter, R is a letter, again R is a letter, O is a letter, W is a letter. So total 7 letters. 2 words and 7 letters. This is answer 1. Answer 2 is only right. So this is a one word. So it contains 5 letters. R, 1, I, 2, G, H, T, right? So answer 3 is towards right, 2 words and 12 letters. Answer 4 is towards turn towards right, 3 words and 16 letters. Answer 5 is right direction, 2 words and 14 letters. Answer 6 may be this side. Okay, when you see this arrow, you may say, okay, this side. So 2 words, 8 letters. Answer 7 is this way, 2 words, 7 letters. Answer 8 is please go towards right side. Okay, so it has 5 words and 24 letters. So what is the importance of symbols then? 24 letters and 5 words. You take the pen off 24 times. You have to write 24 times these letters. Okay, these 5 words. At least 5 times. At least 5 to 7 times you have to take pen off and then write. Okay, 24 letters 24 times. And arrow is drawn only with 1. Okay, so arrow can be placed once, one arrow. Okay, so it shows please go towards right direction, maybe turn towards right. So this is the symbol, shorthand symbol, and these are the words we speak. Okay, so why we use symbols? Symbols take less time to write. So shorthand is easy to understand, it is easy to read and follow, it saves writing effort. Okay, so there is writing effort, it saves the time and it saves the writing effort. It is easy to document, so we can document everything, and it is very secure, right? Symbols are time saving. Point number 1 is the most important thing for the new students. You have to write whenever in front of you someone is speaking, some manager, some director, some politician, someone is speaking in the real time. Okay, and if you use English letters to write, it is very difficult for you to write while someone is speaking. You cannot match the speed of spoken words and your writing speed, right? So shorthand symbols are used to match the speed of spoken words. So where we use shorthand? We use shorthand in offices. managers, directors, they call you and you sit there and whatever they say, you have to convert those sayings, those spoken words into the symbols, okay, in the real time. For example, a spokesman says, welcome ladies and gentlemen. There are 4 words and 24 English letters and you have to write in 2 seconds, for example. It is easy. Is it easy? In 2 seconds? Can you write welcome ladies and gentlemen in 2 seconds? This is very difficult. So, it is not easy. It is the job of stenographer to write all words using symbols, okay? Now, if I write 4 letters, WLAG, W for welcome, L for ladies, A for and, G for gentlemen, it is easy to write. So this is shorthand, this is shortcut. WLAG, welcome ladies and gentlemen. How can I translate symbols into English? Another question. So how can I translate? I will use some rules, okay? So rule number 1 is, when I see W with L, then I will write welcome ladies. Okay, whenever I see in the wording, in the shorthand wording, W and L, I will translate it into English, welcome ladies, okay. Rule number 2 is, when I see L followed by A and G, then I will write ladies and gentlemen. So with L followed by A and G, I will ladies and gentlemen. So this will be welcome ladies and gentlemen. This is how we translate shorthand symbols back into the English words. So you write the spoken words and you have to translate it back to the shorthand for the document purpose to secure it. Can we write symbols and translate those symbols into English using computer? Yes. To increase the efficiency and to print out and secure the documents, we use computers, right? Computers is. What is the scope of shorthand? Almost all government and non-government offices use these symbols, this shorthand. So there is a post stenographer in every office, every big office. There is a job of stenographer in almost every department of government, law, media, business, etc. If we are expert in shorthand, then it is easy for you to get a good job, okay, respectable job. You see, spokesmen and politicians speak words during press briefings. It is the job of steno to listen and write the spoken words into shorthand symbols. Then he translates those symbols back into the English to make headlines and news details. You see in the newspapers, right? Another question is, how many alphabets are there in shorthand? There are 3 important parts of the shorthand. Consonants. There are 24 consonants in shorthand, right? In English, we have 21, right? 3 vowels in the shorthand. And vowels, there are 12 vowels. In English, we have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And here, we have 12 vowels, okay? Different kinds of vowels, right? And there are diphthongs, there are 4 diphthongs, okay? We will see diphthongs, 2 sounds of 2 different kinds, right? And there are other things, but these 40 make most of the shorthand, right? What is the secret of learning shorthand? The one word, practice, practice, practice and practice, okay? Just like maths, more than maths, right? You can increase your writing speed if you practice shorthand 3 to 4 hours daily. Speed needed maybe 80, 100 words, 140 words, 180 words per minute. You have to practice every lesson at least 3 times, right? At least 3 times. Now we see the symbols, okay? What are those symbols? So this is lesson 1A, right? Lesson 1A. Lesson 1A is these are the symbols, okay? You see this red arrow in the beginning? This is the direction of the symbol, okay? So you have to write, this is P, okay? Say P and write it, okay? So P is lighter and B, second is B. B is darker, okay? Heavy and light sound. So light, first is light, second is heavy stroke. These are called strokes in shorthand, right? The actual word is stroke. These are strokes, right? So you start from the top and go to bottom and touch with the line. Okay, this is first symbol is P, then second is B, again P, B, P, B, P, B. So you complete all this first line. Then in the second line, there are dotted lines are heavy, and these dotted lines are B, and bold dotted lines, and lighter dotted lines are P. So you have to write in a complete page of a register, right? So all these you have to write on a page. On the top, write this, and then saying PB yourself. Okay, you have to say P and write. Start from the top, and there is 45-degree angle. This is 45-degree angle, right? Now after completion of full page practice, the page should appear like this. Okay, you can compare. Okay, never, very important thing, never overwrite. For example, if you should have a remover, rubber with you, and a pencil, and a lead pencil, and you have to remove the symbol if there is problem with the symbol, okay, in the direction, or the important thing is you have to write once. Okay, never overwrite to make it darker. Right with the okay, press your pencil once to write dark, and for the lighter, do not press it that much, right? So one is direction, second is angle, third is how you write. Never overwrite, remove it and then write. Okay. Then practice T and D. T is first, and T is first upside down, second is D. Okay, this is T, D. So you have to complete all the page. Okay. Then K and J, forward. Okay, top to down, darker, lighter. J. Speak it. Okay, J. Saying the words K and J for one page for this, right? Then you have K and K. K is on the line, and it is first lighter K, then darker K, lighter K, darker K, and then you have to write one page. Then you have to write this all. Save yourself and practice a full page. For example, P T J K, again P T J K. Okay, so say and write. Okay, these are the directions with the arrows given. Then you have to practice a full page B D J K. So you see the arrows B D J K. Okay, so you have to write a full page. Then take a printout and practice the pairs, saying the sounds yourself. Okay, what is this? Is P B, this is T D, this is J, this is K. P B T D J K, P B T D J K. So whole page for this. Okay, this ends our lecture 1A. Okay, thank you.